Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your chef from guruscooking.in with
Guacamole recipe. To make this we need 2 avocados which are perfectly ripe. To test them, press them. If it is firm and soft at the same time, it's perfect. If it is hard, it is raw. If it is very soft, chances are it is rotten. We'll get rid of the graft at the bottom and insert the knife until we touch and feel the seed of the avocado. Once you feel it, you will start rotating your knife by holding it in the center, and all times you will be in touch with the seed of the avocado. And when you have rotated 360 degrees, this avocado on a twist will come off this easily. To get rid of the seed now, we'll hit it with a knife at vertical angle and then twist it right and left and then take it off this way. Now do not do this. This is when you cut yourself. So in order to get rid of the seed, this is how you need to take it off. And now we have some delicious avocado with us. We'll repeat the same procedure, friends, for the other avocado that I have. Guacamole dip is usually used in making salsa dips, which you can enjoy with a lot of nachos, wafers, etc. To get rid of the scoop whoop concept and get the pulp out, it's very simple. Just churn it around the sides of the wall with a spoon and the pulp comes off very easily. This is how you do it. We'll repeat this for all the avocados and get their pulp by extracting them. And now to prepare, in a muddler we'll extract 2 finely chopped onions and 1 finely chopped green chili. Oh yes. To this we'll be adding in fresh coriander, and that is all you need for the time being. Let's muddle this up in the old grandma style. So this is what is important because it will release those juices slowly and start giving you a nice texture and flavor to your guacamole recipe. Once you are 25% through, you will add salt to this because this is the time when salt will be absorbed by these onions and they will release a little bit more moisture. So I just added around a quarter teaspoon of salt, not much. Now we'll take these avocado pulps into another bowl and the extracted chunks of onion, green chilies along with salt and coriander. We'll add them here and we'll add 1/4 teaspoon, just a quarter teaspoon of salt, and squeeze in half lemon juice. Fresh lime juice is always recommended. Now once you do that, take a potato masher, or you can also use your hands. You can wear gloves and you can start mashing all these things together. How wonderful, elegant, no oil, fat free recipe this is. Of course, avocado contains a lot of amount of good fat, not the trans fat that you're thinking of, and this will give you some nice beautiful skin which glows. This is one of the best fruits that you can have. Of course, it's costly in India, but yes, now your guacamole recipe is ready to have. A few chunks in here and there are perfectly fine. You don't need to mash it completely. Enjoy this with some salsa, wafers, nachos, and any crispy thing that you can think of by dipping this a guacamole dip made with fresh avocados just for you. Ladies and gentlemen, these are my other channels. You can enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching Guru's Cooking with your chef, Guru.